What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy John again with another quarantine unboxing, and it is another computer case. Here we have the 275R Airflow from Corsair. Yeah, I'm switching up my case from the H510. It's only been 2 weeks, but I saw this case in Micro Center and it was on sale for $64.99, and that is a steal. Well, it's actually $84.99. You get $20 in rebate. So make sure you get out, you check out Micro Center. If you live close by, they also have online store. They do have some sales going around here and there, and this was a really good deal. Yeah, so let's get to the unboxing. So,
we're gonna just boom. Okay, just gonna cut this open. Cut this open on the side.
Box right here just obviously shows what case it is. It's kind of similar to the H510i. Not H510i. The same thing. They're all the same thing. This is the box right here. You guys can see. This does have the front with the grills on it, so it has better airflow than the normal Corsair 275R.
And here we have an unboxing. We're just gonna flip it like we did last time. Just gonna get straight up to the point. So the point of these unboxing, guys, is not to really go in super, in depth. It's just like a quick little unboxing, so you guys can have, so you guys know what to experience when you buy this case. I'm not gonna.
That over there. Manual. That aside. This was actually the first time I've ever seen this case, and I thought it was pretty. So here's the case. Clear glass panel, and here's the front. Here is this side. Here is the back side, and here is the top side. Alright guys, so here we do have the front I/O. This is your power button. This is for your headphone jack / mic. 2 USB 3.1s, I believe, and your reset button. I like this a lot better than the H510 just because you get the extra USB instead of the USB-C. And I believe the front does pop off. Let me just... So the front does come with, I believe these are two 120mm fans. You can fit up to 3. So the mesh grill does come off. To put it back, you just simply insert it down here, as so, and you just kind of push, and it just magnetizes all the way up. It's pretty cool. It's easy to clean as well. And yeah, that's what the front comes with. You can fit up to 3 fans, 3 120mm fans, or 2 140s, and you can fit up to a 360mm radiator if you guys want to go water cool. The case. This is the cable managing side, and the other side is the tempered glass. Let's see how this comes out. I've never taken this off. Okay, that's pretty easy. Pretty much just slides. Like there's a little tab right here, and you just pull on it after you unscrew it, and it does reveal this side of the case. It does have little grommets to slide your little cables, and it comes with these little clips. So what you do is like you route your cables, and you put a zip tie through them, and you wrap them around your wires, and it does keep them nice and tidy. And yeah, here is your SSD mounts right here. You can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6 2.5-inch SSDs, and only 2 3.5-inch hard drives. If you guys are still going that route in 2020, SSDs has gotten fairly cheap, so I do recommend that. And I believe in the H510 you can only get 4, I think. So yeah, there's extra storage in this case. Hard drive base right here. You can just pretty much screw them in and put them back like. Alright guys, one last thing I did forget to mention. It does come with a bunch of screws and zip ties, kind of like case fans and for case fans and stuff. That's pretty much it for this side. It does fit an ATX power supply. I saw a video online where it was just a little bit too long and the wires didn't really fit right here, so you can unscrew this hard drive cage if you're not using it and just stuff your wires in there. fan cables right here. We're gonna get to the back side right now. Oh, I just touched the glass. I'm sorry. Back side. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 PCIe slots. Power supply right here, and you can vertically mount your GPU, which is not the best for thermals, but you know, I'm not here to judge everybody's build. Here in the back, you can fit a 120mm fan, and that's it for the back. Really, it's pretty simple. It's nice and white. Let's go to the top. I don't believe we did the top yet. This is just the top right here. It's pretty simple. Your mesh is just magnets. You just take it off, clean it off, whatever. This is where your fans go. So the top does fit, I believe. Let me check my notes real quick. Okay, the top fits up to a 240mm radiator. But keep in mind, guys, something I did some research online because I do want to mount my radiator on top, is that you need low profile RAM so your radiator fits. So you need the RAM shorter than normal, so otherwise your radiator is not going to fit. But if you guys just want exhaust fans or whatever, you can fit up to 2 120mm fans up top, or one 140mm fan. And that goes for the top. Here we do have pretty much the side of the case.
You can just unscrew this with your thumbs. Does it come off all the way? Let me know, leave it in there. Thumbs right here. You guys have plastic, okay, so it's okay. I believe it just comes off, right? Okay, I guess I have to take it all the way off. 4 thumb screws right here. Just set these to the side. And there you go, that's how your glass panel comes off. We're gonna set this over here.
Here you have the inside of the case. So it does come with 3 fans, 3 120mm fans. These are intake up here and exhaust back here as they're set up right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can pretty much cable manage through the grommets that are given to you. I believe it fits a mini ATX, micro ATX, and a regular ATX motherboard. So yeah, I really like this case just because of the airflow, and it is white on the inside versus the H510 where it is black on the inside. So yeah, that wraps it up. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you for staying till the end if you're still here. I will leave the link of the product in the description and all the specs that it has, etc. if you guys want to go in depth. There are other videos online testing it like thermally and stuff, but I'm not going to do that. I just want a quick video for you guys. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That helps me out a lot. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.